Well, can you believe it? Christmas is right around the corner, so it is time again for the annual Survival on Purpose Gift Ideas series, where we take a look at some gift ideas for you related to tactical and outdoor kind of stuff at a different set of price ranges. So in this video, we're going to take a look at 12 gift ideas under $10. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for information and gear reviews and sometimes gift ideas related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name's Brian. Thanks for joining me. So as I said, every year for the last several years, we've done these gift ideas video series. The general premise is I try to pick out gifts that I would like to get or that I think would be useful and group them into price range categories so you can kind of help you make an informed decision. And as always, there will be links to all these in the description below. So without any further rambling, let's just get started. The first gift on the $10 and under list this year is the Klarus Mi2 EDC Keychain light. And this is a really cool little light, 40 lumens max, and the price on this one is $8.90 at Going Gear, which is a cool Georgia store, by the way. It's also a little bit cheaper at Going Gear than it is on Amazon, so there's that. The next item on the $10 and under list is the WorkSharp Pocket Fill Sharpener. And this is a pretty new product from WorkSharp, and I like this one a lot. Has a little diamond stone here, a ceramic stone here, 3 of the most popular torque size bits here that fit right in the end to allow you to maintain and sharpen pretty much most of your knives, and it just fits in your pocket of your keychain or whatever. And the price on this one is $9.95 on Amazon. Pretty cool there. The next product on the list is the Freedom Lube Gun and Knife Oil, and this is actually designed, created, and sold by a local Georgia law enforcement officer, who I met a few weeks ago, and I think it's pretty cool stuff. I've tried this on a couple of my firearms, and I've used it on a couple of knife hinges that really were a little tighter, and it kind of smoothed them up. So pretty good stuff there. The price on this for a 1-ounce tube is $6.99, and they also offer some other cool products on their website too. The next item is something you may not think about. It might be a little surprising, but I think it's something that everybody should have in every vehicle they have, and because we never know when GPS is going to go bad. I'm talking about just a road atlas. Now this is a mid-size road atlas. This is a United States atlas. You can also get them just for your state or whatever, but we've kind of grown dependent upon GPS, but this is something that if everything fails, this paper is not going to crash on you. So, and worst case, you could use it for fire starter, right? So anyway, the price on this one on Amazon is $5.89. So pretty good gift there. The next item is from another Georgia company. I met this guy several times. It's really cool. Fatwood Firesteels. You know I love me some Fatwood, right? This is his Firedust, Fatwood Firedust tin, and it's just like fire dust in there. It's just, oh man, this is golden goodness is what this is. A little tin of golden goodness. And the price on this one is $7.99. And he also has some bigger tins if you're like me. So there's that one. Next is a product from a friend of mine, David, at Ultimate Survival Tips. And it's the Tiny Survival Guide. I have done a review on this, and this is, in my opinion, one of the most unique and innovative survival informational resources I've ever seen. You see how big it is. It fits in your wallet. This thing folds out. It's tear-proof, water-resistant paper that it's got so much information on here. It is unbelievable, and it's a really good deal. David was kind enough, by the way, to give all the Boy Scouts in my troop one of these earlier this year, and this one is $9.97. Pretty cool there. It really is good. The next item on the $10 and under list is a very lightweight, you dig it, light duty ultralight shovel. And this is, I like this one because it's just one little piece of aluminum, very lightweight, but it's pretty strong the way it's bent. And you know, for when you got to go in the woods, so to speak, or any other time you need to dig a little hole. Maybe you're digging a Dakota fire pit or whatever. This is a really nice little gift here, weighs almost nothing. And the price on this one is $8.29 on Amazon. Cool, cool, cool. Next item is something you might think is a little strange to be on here, but this is something I've used several times, and it is the Wilson. Basically, it's tennis racket wrap. It's a tennis racket wrap. Say that fast 3 times. And what this is good for is wrapping knife handles, axe handles, something like that. Just where you really want to get a little grip. I wouldn't wrap an axe handle in it probably, to be honest with you, because I like my hand to slide, but maybe on the butt end of it. But If you really want to increase your grip on some knives or tomahawks or chopping tools or whatever, this is a good choice for you. It comes in handy on all sorts of things. And I actually put some of this on the steering wheel on the old Bronco. So there you go. And this one is $6.99 on Amazon. The next item is something I use every day, a version of something I use every day, and it's the Nite-IZE S-Spinner Microlock aluminum. These are, as you see, these have the little lock on them. I like these S-Spinners, but I really like the ones with a lock on them, because that way your stuff don't fall off. And I like the aluminum ones because they're less prone to breakage. And there's a 5-pack of these, and they are good for $9.98 on Amazon. The next item, because I always like to include a couple of books or so in here, is a book by Jack Carr. Jack Carr was a former Navy SEAL, and this is his first novel. He's got another one out also that I've read both of them, The True Believer. I think he's got a new one coming out, but this is the one to start with. This is the first one in the series, and really, really good novel. And the price on this one is $8.99 on Amazon. No, actually, I paid $7.48 for this one on Amazon. So if you like to read, this is a good one. That was 10, by the way. The next one is a micro spark wheel fire starter from the folks at UST, and I like this one because it is brass. And some of these things are plastic. This is a brass one. It's got comes with a little tube with some extra flints in it. You can also put some tinder tabs or something in there. And the price on this one is just $6.53. So this is a very good small fire starting resource. Finally, one more to go. This is something that I think is really cool. It's a Panther Vision set of button lamps. And there's 6 button lamps in here. They have LED lamps. They have an on-off switch. They've got little adhesive things on the back. You can put these in a gun safe. You can put them in a closet. You can put them in a Ford Bronco that the interior lights don't work in. Ask me how I know. They're just really handy for all kinds of places. You can stick them on your chin at night, on your guy line, so people aren't tripping over them. Just something like this is just a really, really useful little item. 6 of these, $9.42 on Amazon. So that was 12 gift ideas under 10 bucks that I would be happy to get, and which is again how I pick them. So I hope this has been helpful. Be sure and check out the rest of the videos in the series at different price ranges. As always, thanks for watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival is not an accident, so be prepared and have a Merry Christmas.